Hi, hello. Good morning, dear students. Still now we learn the algebraic expression part 1 and part 2. In part 1, meaning of algebraic expression, and in part 2, how to add algebraic expression. So in this part 3 of this algebraic expression, we are going to discuss about the multiplication and solve the important problems in how to do multiplication of algebraic expression. So first problem I am considering this: multiply 6 a square b cube into minus 4 a3 b4. So very simple. First you have to multiply numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient means number. So which of the numbers are there here? Plus 6 into minus 4 into next literal coefficient. Literal means same base. Here a square into a to the power of 3 into b3 into b to the power of 4. So you can multiply plus into minus, minus 6 4s are 24. Here a square and a to the power of 3 is there. So in the class of exponents, I discussed about the loss of exponent. So that is product law. On this law, we can see that bases are same means when we are multiplying, we should add the powers. That is a 2 plus 3 5. So I'll write one more step if you are confusing means. Next b. Here what are the powers? 3 plus 4. Why? If bases are same means product law, you should add powers. That means minus 24 a 2 plus 3 means 5, 3 plus 4 means 7. So just otherwise if you go for direct means 6 4s are 24, plus into minus minus, a square and a3 is there means you should add powers of a 2 plus 3 5 and b powers 3 plus 4 7. You can write directly also. So for your clarification, I do 1 2 step extra. Next problem. Multiply 8a square minus 3ab plus 5b square by 6ab. Here you should multiply, you can take this, this is called monomial and this is called polynomial. If you multiply monomial by a polynomial means, so each term of monomial multiplied by each term of polynomial. That means first 6ab multiply 8a square b into 6ab. Here minus is there. 3ab second term of polynomial keep as it is multiplied with 6ab and third term 5b square into 6ab. This monomial is multiplied by each term of the polynomial. That is 8 6 are 48 plus into plus plus. Here a square nothing is there means 1 is there. A square plus 1 a to the power of 3. Here 1 plus 1 2 minus this is over now multiplication. Next minus 3 6 are 18. Nothing is there means a1 that is a2 1 plus 1 2 b to the power of 1 b to the power of 1 that is b square. When we are multiplying, so plus 5 6 are 30. Look at here. Here no a is there. So that's why we can write a 1. Here b square is there. Here b to the power of 1 is there. bb is then 2 plus 1 3. That is answer. So you can simplify like this by step. So next up, multiply. So polynomial x square minus 4x plus 7 multiplied by x minus 2. So here binomial, here polynomial. So if you multiply means, so each term of binomial should be multiplied by all the terms of the given polynomial. That is x if you multiply x square minus 4x plus 7. Next what is that? Minus 2. Again you can multiply all the terms x square minus 4x plus 7. So multiply. So multiplication. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. X into x, x. 1 plus 2, 3. That is x to the power of 3. Plus into minus, minus. So here 2 plus 1, 3. This over. Next you can take this term and multiply with this. 4. Here x to the power of 1 is there. Here also x to the power of 1 is there. If you multiply, you will get x square. Here plus 7 into x, 7x, because no variable is there to add the powers. Next, minus 2 into x square, 2x square. Here minus into minus, plus 2 fours are 8x, 2 fours are 8x. Next, minus into plus, minus 2 sevens are 14. So look at the terms. Which term it is possible to add or subtract? X cube, no terms. We can keep x cube as it is. Minus 4x square, minus 2x square, because literal coefficient is same and power is same. So these two are same. So minus 4 and minus 2 is there. If you add the 2, you will get minus 6, because if you add any two negative numbers, you will get the addition with negative value. That is minus 6. You can write literal coefficient x square. Next, plus 7x plus 8x plus 15x. So minus 14. Nothing is there. So this is the answer, to simplify the answer. Next problem. Multiply minus 2 by 3 a to the power of 7 b square into minus 9 by 4 a to the power of b to the power of 5. So here we can easily cancel. First you have to multiply. Minus into minus plus 2 9s are 18, 3 4s are 12. First you have to multiply numerical coefficient, because here fraction is there. So fraction means multiply numerators and multiply denominators. Then here a to the power of 7 is there, here a to the power of 1 is there. If you add these two, what you will get? A to the power of 8. Here 2, here 5 is there. 7. 5 plus 2, 7. So here it is easily cancelled. 2 9s are, 2 6s are. Again it will cancel by 3 2s are, 3 3s are. What is the answer? Plus 3 is remaining, 2. We cannot reduce because it is a reduced fraction. What is the literal coefficient? A to the power of 8 and b to the power of 7 is the answer. Next, when given a polynomial and mononomial, I already showed in the first problem. So here long polynomial they are given. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. 4 terms are there multiplied by single term. Means if you multiply by single term, means that single term multiplied for all the terms of the polynomial. Keep it in mind. That single term is multiplied with all the terms of the polynomial. That means first 3 is there. Multiplied with 21 x square y square. This to first term. Second term minus 2 by 3 xy is there. Into multiplied by the same term. 21 x square y square. Next term plus 5 by no space is there. You can continue. Okay. Plus 5 by 7 x square y square into 21 x square y square. Last one is minus 61 21 x square y into 21 x square y square. Look at here. This term is multiplied with all the terms of the each polynomial. So here no need to cancel here. Here no cancellation. If you multiply 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. That is 63 x square y square minus. Here you can cancel. 3 1s are, 3 7s are. So what is the remaining here? 7 2s are 14. Here extra value is 1 is there, 2 is there. If you add these two, you will get x to the power of 3. And if you multiply y into y square, it will get y to the power of 3. Because here 1 is there. 1 plus 2, 3. Next here also. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 5 threes are 15. Here x to the value 1 is there, here 2 is there. If you add x to the power of 3, y square, 1y square multiply 4 because 2 to 4. Next is minus is there, we can write minus 21 get cancelled. 21 get cancelled here. What is remaining? 16. X to the power of 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. Add the powers. X to the power of 4. Here 1 is there. So we will get y to the power of 3. That's why while I have given this term, you can multiply with all the terms. Then you will get, if it is cancellation, you can cancel, solve the answer. And next problem, multiplying two binomials. Two binomials here, one binomial, here one binomial. Binomial means what? An algebraic expressions contain two terms. That means if I am taking 3x first, multiply to 7x minus 8. Next we can take plus 2. Second term of second binomial, multiply first binomial. Either way you can take. Either you can take 7x, multiply these two. Minus 8, multiply these two. Either you can take this term is multiply these two, and next part is take this term and multiply these two. Right now, I hope you are all understanding. Don't confusing. In each problem, different steps we are following. As you learned in your 7th standard also, 6th standard also. Next, multiply now. 3 7s are 21. X into x square. 3 8s are 24. Plus into minus, x. Here, plus 2. 2 into 7, 14x. Plus into minus, 16. So here, which was the terms we can easily taken 21x square. There is no x square term is there for adding and subtraction. Here, term is same. In minus 24 plus 14 will go means 10x minus 6. We can't simplify. That is the answer. We got final answer. So next multiply 3x square y into minus 2x square y square. First step is multiply. First they are asking to multiply. Here plus is that, plus into minus minus. First you have to multiply numerical coefficient. 3 and 2 is there. 3 2s are 6. Here x to the power of 2 is there. Here 1 is there. What happened? X to the power of 3 here 1, 2. That is y to the power of 3. We are multiplying now. After multiplying, you have to substitute the values. X value is how much? 1. Y value is 2. So minus 6. 1 cube means 1. 2 to the power of 3 means you have to multiply 2 into 3 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Multiply 6 ones are 6. 6 8s are 48. That is minus is that. You can put minus sign. Next, verify the product with this product. That is 3x square y into minus 2x y square. 3. Again, after getting product, you have to find the answer while putting x value and y value. Next, you can consider this product. Same question. X value 1 square, y value 2 into minus 2, x value 1, y value 2 square. So here 3 2s are 3 into 2 into minus 2 into 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. X y square now. Okay. Here we will get 2 square means what? 4. 2 2 2 4. That is 3 2s are 6. Minus into 2 4s are 8. Again you will get minus 48. So this 2 is same means verification also clear. So verification is also clear. First you have to find the product and put the x value and y value. Find out the answer. In next step, take separately and substitute the x value and y value, solve. So if you are getting same answer means verification is done. Next one, find the value of 3x cube into minus 5xy square into 2x to the power of 3, y to the power y, z to the power of 3. That is x value is 1, y value is 2, z value is 3. So you can put here 3. X value is what? 1 to the power of 3 minus 5. They are not asking to find the product. Find the value. Find the value means you can just substitute the values. 5. 1, 2 square into 2. X value 1 to the power of 3, 2. Y value 3 to the power of 3. That is 3. 1 cube means what? 1. 1 into 3, 3. Into 5 minus 5 into 2 to the power of 4, 2 into 2 into 3. 3 means 3 we should multiply it with 3 times. That is, you will get 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 you are getting the product here. If you multiplied all the things, you can do multiplication, you will get minus 6480. You will get 6480. Multiply in home, you can get the 6480. Last one, evaluate they are given. So x value they are given 2. So x value they are given 2. Substitute in the x value 2. 2 plus 5. 3 2s are 6 minus 2. 2 plus 5 7. 6 2 will go means 4 into 7, that is 28. Answer. Like this. Evaluate or find the value means there is no need to multiply the product first. So directly you can substitute the values and find the value of the given algebraic expression. Still I will solve many problems on the multiplication of algebraic expression. So in exercise also many problems are there. Complete the multiplication of exercise. So complete up to the class 1. Thank you for watching video.